Today we're going to practice connecting letters. It's a very important part about learning cursive. So I know that you've been practicing the alphabet with me, and I'm so proud of you for going through all of the letters. So let's do a little practice connecting them and making some words together. Let's start with the letter A. Little bump up, down, tail. Now if we were going to make another A, we do a little curve into the next A. Then we start all over. Little bump up, down, tail, curve. It kind of looks like the wave of an ocean. And then do another one. Bump, up, down, tail, curve. This is what we call chain letters. A great way to practice connecting letters. So again, it's curve, bump, up, down, tail. Let's try letter B. Starting at the baseline, big loop up, down, bump, little loop, and then right into the next one. Big loop up, down, bump, little loop, and then big loop. Let's do a few of those. Lowercase b. Let's try lowercase c. Bump, tail, just like the A, you curve. Bump, tail, curve. Now this one really looks like the wave of the ocean. Bump, tail, curve, bump, tail, curve, lowercase c. Okay, let's do one more. Let's try D. Little bump, big line up, down, tail, and curve into the next D. Bump, up, down, tail. This is a lot like the A that we did. Curve, bump, up, down, tail. Let's try a word. How about cab? So, little bump, tail, curve into the A, bump, up, down, tail, and big loop up, down, bump, little loop, tail. Cab. Let's try a word with uppercase letters. Let's try a capital A. And we're going to take it right into an N. So tail, little line down, up, bump, little line down, tail. Curve into the G, just like we did with the A and the C. Bump, up, big loop below that baseline, and then right into the E. So little loop, tail, L, big loop up, down, curve into the A, bump, up, down, tail, and you have my name. So one thing I want to point out here, with this lowercase n, the tail of the A and the tail of the N connect right here. But it kind of looks like an M. So let's take a look at connecting N's and M's. Tail, little line down, up, bump, little line down, tail, and right into the next one. Tail, little line down, up, bump, little line down, and tail. And we just take it across. Now you can see what I'm talking about, just as we did in my name, how it kind of starts to look like M's, but it's really just the two tails are connected together. Last one, M's. Tail, line, bump, bump, and tail. Into the next one, tail, little line down, up, bump, bump, and tail. Tail, little line down, up, bump, bump, tail, last one, tail, line, bump, bump, and tail. So when I connect my tails, I try to make that line look a little bit different. It's more of a slant. With the M, it's a little more up and down, so you can kind of see the difference. But again, it looks like it's 3 bumps. So N and M. Keep practicing connecting your letters. You're doing a great job. See you next time.